Hi, I'm Arham Ejaz and welcome to my math class. Today I'm going to teach you how to square any two-digit number, just like n squared. Let's look at the first example, which is 66 squared. First, you need to know your square numbers from 1 to 10. You can do two lines here and you write the square of every single digit number here. 6 squared is 36, right? 36. Look at the second digit, it's 6 as well. So 6 squared again will be 36. You can do this. Write two lines. Do 6 times 2, which is... You can do 6 times 6 first and double it. I'll just do that. You can do 36 plus 36. Or you can just do 36 plus 36 because you could have known 6 times 6 because you need to do this to learn your squaring method. Now, you need to add these two same numbers together. 6 plus 6 is 12, write the 2, carry the 1. 3 plus 3 plus 1, 7. 72. You can write it under there in the middle, under each digit. Every number which doesn't have anything under it, we don't do. You leave the 6. Write 6 in. 3 plus 2, add the digits, column-wise. 3 plus 2 is 5. 6 plus 7 is 13. Write 3, carry 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. And here is your answer. 4,356. Let's look at another example. Let's do an easy example this time, which is less than 50. 31 squared equals 3 squared is 9. Write 0, 9 because you did two digits. 1 squared is 1. 0, 1, you do two digits. Now your square is 3 digits. Because you have 2 zeros, this goes past 10. 9 and 1 is past 10. Now you do the other thing. So you need to multiply the digits again. 3 times 1 times 2. We don't need to multiply by 1 because that's the same. 3 times 2, 6. Ends with a 1. 0 plus 6 is 6. And we don't need to add anything to a 9. So we get 9. 31 squared is 961. And that is correct. Now let me show you another example which is greater than 50. But less than 80. It is 78 squared. You can use multiplication to help you. If you are very stuck about this trick, you can do 13 times 6 equals 78. You can do 13 squared, which is 169, times 6 squared, which is 36, equals. That is also the answer to the same thing as 78 squared. 7 squared is 49. 8 squared is 64. 7 times 8 is 56. 56 times 2 is 112. Ends in a 4, write a 4. 6 plus 2 is 8. Ends in 84. That's a clue. For any 3-digit number that ends in this number, for the last 2 digits, they end the same. 76 and 24. 74, those numbers are too good because they all end in 76 and also 26. Then you can add the next digits. 9 plus 1 is 10. Write the 0. 4 plus 1 plus 1 is 6. 60, 84. You can write two answers here. 60, 84, or you may write in commas. And this is also the answer to 13 squared times 6 squared because 13 squared times 6 squared is 78 squared, just like 13 times 6. You can also do this pattern with cube numbers. 13 cubed is 2197 and multiply by 216. That is still the answer to 78 cubed, which is 474552. See, this pattern works with all of them. All exponents and powers of these numbers to do with multiplication. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Please subscribe for more maths, number blocks, Rubik's Cubes, and more. Bye.